Alright guys, so in this video we're going to talk about utilizing Craigslist and other local selling apps. So long story short, this is an option for you guys. I used to do this, I don't anymore. It all comes down to space and time with storage units sometimes. So one thing that I used to do was I used to put Craigslist ads and local selling apps. I used to put ads out there. Basically when I went through the storage unit, I would typically grab everything I wanted to sell, and then you could put ads on Craigslist and different sites and people will come pick up the rest for you. So this saves you time. It also gives the opportunity for them to come clean out the remaining part of the storage unit so you guys don't have to. Now, a couple things here. This is a great option for people that are limited on space. It's also a great option for people that don't really want to necessarily deal with the flea market type items. They just want to go through and get the items to sell online, the typical 30 and up profit items, and then move on to the next storage unit. More importantly though, also it helps if you don't have a truck or vehicle, so you could kind of pick up and cherry pick everything that you want, and then they'll bring their truck or vehicle and pick up the rest. Now keep in mind, people will do this free, okay? When you put an ad out, you will do that, they will do this free, and then soon you'll use them for multiple storage units, and you'll build contacts for people to come pick up the remaining stuff out of these storage units. Now, one warning I gotta tell you is, remember, you're still liable for everything that's at the storage unit. You are still liable to make sure that it's clean. You put your deposit down, and if you didn't have to put a deposit down, you need to make sure it's very clean. So when they come pick up the remaining amount of stuff, you need to be with them when they pick that up to make sure that they cleaned it and make sure that everything is good before you leave the facility. But this is an option, okay? This is a great option for people that are limited on space and time and just want to get the good stuff and leave everything behind for somebody else to pick up. People will do and pick this up for free. They will do it. You just got to make sure you're there. They clean it and utilize Craigslist and different ads to put wanted ads for this type of stuff. All right guys, hopefully this helps. Just brainstorming with things that I used to do that helps me, and you'll take bits and pieces of this course and make it your own and continue to watch these videos.